Let's remove the watermark on your Meta AI generated videos.
On to research, I discovered two methods you can literally use whether you are using a mobile phone or you are using a PC. These two methods works perfectly well. Guys, let's get started.
Welcome guys. So this is our Meta AI interface. Okay, I want to show you, like I said, two ways you can remove watermark from your video. So quickly, this is one of the videos that I generated. Okay, my older videos. Okay, these are the videos, and all these videos, if I want to show you, you'll realize that they have, all of them have watermark. So let me quickly show you the watermark that is involved. Okay, I'm going to quickly go ahead and download this one of it to show you, and we are going to remove them right now in this video. So if you've watched it this time, please go ahead and hit the video a like. And this first method I'm going to show you works perfectly with your mobile phone and your PC. So bring your phone and open your laptop. Let's do it together. And don't forget to like this video and drop a comment once you've successfully done it and it works, so that I know that, yeah, you've done it well. Okay, you can see this watermark floating here and floating here. It can be annoying to see all these watermarks floating in two places. No matter how you want to hide this watermark, you cannot hide it. I mean, finish generating your video. I'm not going to generate anything. I'm just going to show you how to remove it. Okay, look up here. You're going to see this sign. Okay, hope you can see my screen very well. Let me zoom in so I can see what I'm trying to show you. Okay, so I believe you can see it right now. This particular icon here, right, that looks like she. Click on it and pay attention to this part, because a lot of people can, I mean, you will do it and it will not work. That is, if you miss the step. Okay, once you click on it, it's going to bring up this dialog box that shows copy link, download. If you download here, the watermark is still going to be there. But instead of it to download here, every video you generate, okay, make sure you click there, copy this link to your clipboard, okay, like it is copied now, right? Now, let's head over to the website you're going to use to remove it using your mobile phone. So type in this AI, Manus AI. Okay, this is it, the first one here. Click on it, it will open up. Guys, watch this step by step, because honestly, people were asking how to remove watermark using their mobile phone. And then congratulations, because I've got you covered. Okay, now that link we copy from Meta AI, paste it here. It doesn't finish here. Okay, now add this simple line to read. Just this simple line. Okay, download this video without watermark, only applicable to Meta AI videos. Go ahead and hit this, and just a little time, it will start thinking, analyzing, and working on it. Guys, 1, 2, 3, your video is ready. Beautiful. So guys, the video is here. See the video here. Now, we are going to download this. Okay, just click on it and you're going to see save as. For you, you're going to see download button there. Now, this video is without a watermark. Okay, you're not going to see it here, but I'm going to play for you to see. Okay, now go ahead and download this. Play the download here. Okay, and it's downloaded. Let's go ahead and play it for us to see. You see, there is no watermark. This is the first method. Do this to all your videos before you download it to your phone or to where you want to use it as the final editing. Okay, now the second method is for us to use this extension, right? Just come here, make sure it is spelled very well, and it is this particular one, because without this, we have a lot of extensions. Okay, without this added as a Chrome extension to your browser, it will not work. Okay, click on here, add to Chrome, and then you're going to see, when you open it up, it will take you to the next interface that says also add to Chrome. Click on it and it will be added. Look at it. It's going to add this to your extension, right? So we go ahead and open our Meta AI interface. Now let's go ahead and download any of these videos that we've generated. Okay. Now, once you are here on the interface, go ahead and open that. Okay, that extension. Once you open it, you want to see something like this. That's why I say don't panic. Okay, please pay attention, don't panic, because I mean, this is an error, it's a glitch, so I'm not supposed to show this way. Okay, now refresh this. Okay, reload it and start again. Awesome. Go ahead and click it again. Now, by clicking it, it's still showing this way, right? Don't worry, just click it again. Now you see it has given us 16 videos. Now the 16 videos is the ones I've generated in the past. So for you to see which video you are to download second, maybe the next one, so it will not be the same. Okay, so you see it is working. Let me play it for you to see. You see there is no watermark. And guys, if you've watched it this time and this video has helped you escape this watermark issue, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I would love to know what video you would love to see next. And until then, guys, see you in the next one.